Now, at sport events like England's memorable World Cup win, the funeral of Sir Winston Churchill, and countless other must-see moments into the nation's living rooms. But 6 years ago, this former television outside broadcast unit was derelict and rotting away. Now, though, it's been restored to its former glory, as Joe Campbell reports.
Because this isn't like nowadays where your iPhone can do all of these contrasts and colours and everything all automatically.
Forget the TARDIS. This is a real TV time machine, taking visitors here back to the 60s and 70s.
They'd be locked in here for maybe 8 hours and everyone smoked and the whole air would be just full of yellow smoke.
Dan Cranefield spent a fair bit of his career sat in the back of this vehicle, witnessing history.
It was very pleasant. Often you had on a big programme like the 1966 World Cup, which I was on, if you wanted a bigger show with more cameras, then you had a second unit.
Some people are on the pitch, they think it's all over. It is now.
The glory days were long gone when we first met the team trying to restore it in Amberley.
It was an incredible task, a lot more than some of us realised, because you can't just patch a vehicle like this, you need to start from scratch.
But that was just the start. The work they've done restoring the inside to its original condition was certainly a bit of a hit with this young visitor. This particular vehicle soldiered on until the 1970s, but of course since then, well, technology has changed hugely. And if you want an idea of just how much, well, take a look at the camera I'm filming this on today.
The vehicle is some 60-odd years old, and all the people who worked on it, unfortunately, the hourglass of life is taking its toll, and it's important to record their reminiscences and record the technology, how it was then.
They've succeeded in bringing the vehicle back to life. Now they have to find a home where it can be preserved to tell the story for years to come.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Joe Campbell, BBC South Today, Amberley Museum in West Sussex.